You are the cream of Pakistan, sir, and everybody sitting over here. At this seminar, do you see anyone who needs to be here? All of us here, we are the haves. There are no have-nots. Or set me right, please. So, a point to ponder, a question for the August forum, and a plea of a concerned Swati. But first of all, my hats off to the lady, Dr. Paracha. We end every daily prayers with Rabbana. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasana. God Almighty, make my worldly life beautiful. Now, how can my life be beautiful with my political leaders at each other's throats? Not corruption, but plunder in nearly every pillar of the state. Sucking life out of me and my country. And sir, this is the voice of the people who are not here. I am a have. Kalashnikovs pointed at me out of every VVIP and VIP Land Cruiser. When what I'm only concerned with is my hunger and my health and my freedom and my status and dignity as a human being. And justice and a dream of a decent education for my child. Then what do I think of and hope and pray? You tell me, but I'm going to tell you because you don't know probably. Ya Allah. And my hands are shaking, sir. I'm very nervous. Ya Allah, get rid of this corrupt system, this unchangeable and ever-repeating political, bureaucratic, judicial system. When that doesn't happen in over 60 years, what do I think and dream? Radical thoughts, sir. Radical thoughts. Radicals believe in a dramatic, revolutionary and violent change in the existing political, social and economic order. But, when they take up arms and we all agree, they have to be crushed, period. And then de-radicalized. Forced by circumstances of a failed government structure. Who did the crushing and started a process of de-radicalization? Who did it? It was my armed forces, at the sacrifice of their blood and the tears and toil and sweat, and portrayed as lackeys of the United States of America by the enemies of the state. And now, all of you, the media, the West, everybody, now they are criticized by all the West, my army. I'm proud of them.
Thank you. Thank
Sir,
you.
No, sir.
I
No,
think you.
But to keep on lengthening this process.
I think you need to conclude because there are so many other people. Thank you.
Sir. So General Javed said that the purpose of this seminar is Umeed, which is hope, and the future of Swat. On behalf of the more than 1.8 million people of Swat, I say Umeed in the future of Pakistan. To that end, we all of us, whether in the corridors of power or those wanting to be there, left or middle or right of the political spectrum, the administration, the Sardars, the Chaudhries, the Nawabs, the industrialists, the judges and lawyers and students and Maliks, and the Khans, and the Maulana Sahibans, we all of us have to change our mindsets and create an atmosphere of justice and equality and dignity and peace, or the sticking time bomb of injustice and corruption and VIP cultural greed and nepotism is going to obliterate us all. It's up to all of us and we can do it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.